channel and welcome back to another try on styling haul. And today we're going to be doing Gap, which I have not shopped at Gap in a very long time. Is Gap still relevant? I think it is. For me, what I'm looking for in pieces regardless is quality. I really enjoy, no matter where I shop, I really enjoy the quality of Gap. I feel like it's been around forever. I feel like the pieces that I have from them, I still have them in my closet, still wear them, and they're just A, timeless, and B, the quality withstands everything, which is why I love Abercrombie as well. Anyways, when Gap was doing their friends and family sale, they had 40% off everything, but they're always running amazing sales, so you can always take advantage of it. And I will link every piece that I talk about today down below. And while I was getting the links, I found that pretty much I maybe saved like an extra $2 to $3, but everything is still on crazy sale. So check it out if you're interested. Like I said, I think this is the perfect, like the Gap has the perfect pieces for timeless, classic quality pieces, which is where I like to invest in. But the great thing is Gap's really affordable and they're always running sales. Well, I wouldn't say they're really affordable, but they're always running sales, which makes their stuff really affordable. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got a ton of really great transitional fall pieces, which I'm excited for because I'm ready for fall weather, even though Dallas is nowhere near ready for fall. I wanted to stock up on some pieces that I figured I can transition and show you guys how I would style them. So let's get started. Okay, so the first piece that I got are shorts, and I know not really fall, but how I will style them will be fall, and these will still be perfect for the summer. So I love these. They have like a stretchy waistband. I think these kind of shorts are perfect for a fall transition because denim, to me, denim shorts do not scream fall unless you wear it with a blazer, I guess. But these kind of like linen-y, they're not linen, they're kind of like a khaki. What they're literally called, khaki, khaki short, but they give me kind of jogger shorts feel. I don't know. The band on these, I got an extra small. I'll leave my measurements down below for you guys in case you're interested. I did size down in some of the Gap stuff just because I feel like they kind of tend to run a little bit big, but to put these on over my hips was tough, but once they sit on my waist, they're perfect. They just have kind of a stiff band to put over your hips at first, but I love these. They have a really cute pocket detail. It's a flap style. I love this color. It's kind of like a dark, like gray, almost black, but not. Yeah, I just feel like these are perfect, quick, easy shorts that you can kind of transition into the fall. They had a khaki color, and they also had like a green olive color, which was really pretty as well. But I decided to go with these because I have nothing in my collection like this. How I styled it with just a white little tank that I live in these are from Target. I own them in like every single color. They're just a basic ribbed high neck racer back tank, and I styled it with that just for like plain and simple. And then I went ahead and threw on one of my cardigans that I've had from Gap for probably like 5 years now. It is in an XXS size because this was a boyfriend cardigan. I still feel like it fits oversized even though I got an XXS, but I love this. I love the two-toned. Obviously I got this 5 years ago. I'll try to find something similar and link it down below for you guys. But what I'm telling you and why I wanted to pair this is because these pieces are quality and timeless. Even though I got this 5 years ago, it's still very much in trend, very much intact, like literally it looks like I've never worn it. It's so beautiful. I love this cardigan. I call it my like old grandpa cardigan because it's kind of got grandpa vibes to it, but I love it. So that's kind of how I would transition shorts into fall, is with a chunky cardigan over the top. Again, depends where you live and how you can get away with that during the fall, but for here in Texas, that works because it doesn't get super cold super early. So yeah, that is the first outfit and the first piece that I got. This next piece I got is just a very basic, again, quality. This is their organically grown cotton t-shirt. There's not much shape to this t-shirt like at all, but I love it. It fits and falls so perfectly. I do not own, believe it or not, just a plain light gray t-shirt. I only own like dark heathered gray t-shirts, so I don't own just a plain one. So I thought, why not try this? It's so soft. It does have some heathering to it, which I think most gray does. But I love this. You can cuff the sleeves, tuck it in, whatever you want. But I love the again, the quality, the fabric, the feel, and it was a very affordable price. Originally they're $20, but again, when you can get them on sale, amazing. So I feel like, yeah, you cannot go wrong with a basic gray t-shirt, and I just didn't have one. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pick it up now that it's on sale. This next piece is such a unique, like, pair of pants that I don't own anything like this, but I've been wanting a pair like this. I recently did a Target haul a while ago, and I got a pair of pants that I wanted to look like this, and they just missed the mark on everything, but these are everything. So I don't exactly know what these are called. I don't know. They are like a jogger, like a linen sort of, but not linen. I don't know how to explain it. It's a very thick, like, I mean, rugged material, but it's kind of thin. I don't know, I'm obsessed. I got these in a 2. Typically I'm anywhere from like a 2 to a 4, but they had the stretchy back, so I figured these would work, and I did want them to fit pretty nicely on my waist, and they do. They've got basic pockets in the back. They've got the long pockets, the long like square exposed pocket in the front, which I think is super cute, and they have the jogger bottom. These fit amazingly, so perfect. Like, fitted in all the right areas, loose in all the right areas. They're flowy, they're just, not flowy, they're like fitted, but they're like casual. I love these, and I think they're perfect to transition. So I paired it with that gray shirt, and then I went ahead and threw over a denim jacket. With this look, I would probably wear a cropped denim jacket, which is what I did with this, instead of like an oversized kind of boyfriend baggy sort of denim jacket. I would hit something right at the waist, because these pants can like kind of, you can lose the shape of them a little bit if you're not seeing like your bum and stuff like that. So I think a cropped dark denim jacket, medium wash denim jacket is perfect. This one's from Abercrombie that I've had for years and years, but I will link something similar. If you don't have a cropped denim jacket in your life, I think you really need one. I think Abercrombie or Gap is the place to go. I think you do need an oversized sort of look, but then I think you need a cropped one, and I think you will never, ever like not use them in your wardrobe. I feel like they're so timeless, and you can kind of like make any outfit, fall or summer, whatever, with denim. So yes, that's how I paired and styled that. And I love this little hat. You'll see it throughout. I got this from Target. I'm not sure if they still have it. Again, it's old, but if they do have it, I will link it down below. If not, I will link a similar style, but this is kind of like one of those wool kind of fabric hats, felt hats, that has some braided leather detail on it. I just think these are perfect for transitioning into fall. Any kind of hats. I feel like every store has hats like this now going into fall, and I think they're super cute and really paired off that outfit well. All right, and my next outfit is like comfy, cozy. I wanted a pair of sweatpants, like an athleisure look that I could wear outside of the house but still feel like put together. I can mix match the pieces, but they also still went well together and looked good. It didn't look too baggy, but were still comfortable. So these joggers are everything and more. I ended up getting them in an extra small. Again, I wanted them to fit me nicely in the bum and like nicely around my waist, but they're still so stretchy that they're not like constricting at all. I have a pair of Zara sweatpants that I wanted to be like this, but they're just so constricting. I don't know, I don't love them as much. So these do have the traditional drawstring. The drawstring, the quality is just there. It's got these little metal like things. I don't know, I love it. But I love this color. I feel like it's like an emerald forest green situation. So pretty. Jogger bottom. I love the jogger bottoms over any other bottom. I just feel like you can wear them with sneakers, you can wear them with high tops, with sandals, with anything. But I just loved the quality of these. These have nice pockets on them, and I don't know, I feel like you cannot go wrong with a good pair of sweatpants. So I picked these up and I love them. And to go with that, oh, I got an extra small one, did I say? To go with it, I got this sort of like, not cropped because it's not cropped, but it's like a raw hem hoodie or sweatshirt, not hoodie. It's very thin, which I wanted again as like just throw around the house. I don't have very thin sweaters, like sweatshirts. I have very thick ones that are cropped, and I love them, but I wanted something that I could wear with like jeans or those sweatpants, whatever. And this was so nice. I feel like the sleeves are kind of like poofy at the bottom because they're really tight and they kind of poof over. The length is perfect on me and it is so soft. And I don't own a gray sweatshirt, believe it or not. So I thought this was such a cute piece and perfect to transition into fall, but just a really nice, almost looks kind of like you could dress it up a little bit. I know a hoodie, you're like, can you really dress up a hoodie? I think you can. But yeah, all right, so this next piece that I got, oh, I should preface this by saying I hadn't tried on anything in the store. I don't know if the dressing rooms were open. I just assume that they're not because I feel like most stores don't have them open, but I don't know, I also just didn't feel like trying anything on. So these pants were kind of a little bit of a miss for me. Okay, hear me out. The reason first of all, I love Gap jeans. I used to wear them all the time. I saw this style and I was like, ooh, these are gonna be cute. Straight, high rise, low stretch, cheeky, straight. I was like, yes, please. And I do not own a pair of like true medium wash jeans without any holes in them. So I was like, these are perfect. These are so cute. They'll be perfect to dress up, or not dress up, but you can kind of like make them look more dressy, or you can also be super casual with like a hoodie. But I loved the thought of these, but I just feel like, and you let me know, I feel like they do nothing for my bum. And I know I don't have a huge bum, but I feel like they don't do anything for my bum and they like cut into my leg a little bit. And I got a 26, so maybe if I sized up, they would be better. I really love them. I just feel like they don't do enough for the bum. So maybe I'll go and try on a 27 and see if they fit any differently, because I really want to love them because they're the perfect amount of stretch for like, with also being like rigid. I love them. So yeah, I just thought they didn't do much for the bum, but you let me know what you think in the comments down below if I should keep them, try a different size, or return them. And I styled those with this sweater that I just got in. This is not from the Gap, but it's from Walmart. I know, oh my God, I feel like I've seen so many Walmart try on hauls, but I'm like, are they really that good? And I have one coming for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. But I got this chunky navy sweater and I'm obsessed with this thing. I think it's the perfect like length. It's not cropped, but it's not too long, and it's so chunky, and it's so like, this is really quality for Walmart. I was like so blown away. So I love it. And then I also, as like another extra layering thing, I'm hoping vests are coming back in this year. They really weren't a thing much last year, but I've had this for a while. Again, I invest in pieces that I just feel like will come and go, but are still timeless. This is one of those like, this is from Abercrombie, by the way. Again, I've had it for years. I'll try to find something similar and link it. But this is one of those like military style jackets, but it's a vest form. So I don't know, I thought it was really cute. And I think it's really cute layered over a sweater or like a button down or something like that. It's just so cute. And I love the chunky buttons. You can cinch it in the waist, so it's super flattering, and a cute way to kind of make an outfit fall alike. So I love this. I'll try to find something similar to it. And then last but not least is this white Oxford dress. I actually ordered this online because they didn't have it in my store, and they have a blue and I'm feeling like I need it. First of all, I got this in a small, and I probably could have gone with an extra small. The only reason I didn't is because I was afraid it was going to like, I'm kind of, I wouldn't say I'm like busty, but I have a larger chest, and it can make my like button-ups like, you know, like buckle, and I hate that. So I wanted to make sure that it didn't do that. I also don't know if it comes in other lengths, because I would have gotten it in a shorter length, but it's not the end of the world, and it still might shrink in the washer. But I love this. I love an Oxford anything. An Oxford like sleeveless dress for the summer in linen, an Oxford button-up shirt, because you can pair it with everything. I did not have an Oxford long sleeve dress, and I wanted one because I wanted to throw like sweater vests over it, sweater dresses. I just thought it would be really cute for the fall time. This one was really nice quality. So it came with a slip underneath, which I did not know when I first got it. It is kind of see-through, so you do need it. And it is such a thick, like quality material. It has pockets. It's amazing. I don't know what else to say. You can wear it plain. You can wear it with a denim jacket, like an oversized denim jacket. You can wear it with this sweater that I showed because I really like the looks of that. I'd probably wear a longer sweater but you guys get the gist of like a sweater over the top of it. I probably would wear a longer sweater with this, just to kind of like cover some stuff a little bit more, but I love this. I feel like it's such a versatile piece. And again, like this will stay in your wardrobe forever and it will never go out of style because it's a button down dress. And I feel like you can do so many different things with it. So I think pieces like this, it's worth investing. Chunky sweaters that are cropped or whatnot, those maybe aren't the best like investment pieces, so you can kind of get away with going a little bit lower in quality for those. But then those pieces that you're just like, I will wear that for years to come, invest in the quality of someplace like Gap or Abercrombie are my favorite places to buy quality pieces that I'm gonna have in my wardrobe for a very, very long time. And if they're on sale, that's a bonus, right? Because it's not as expensive. So that is everything that I recently picked up from the Gap. If you haven't shopped at the Gap in a while, check it out, try it out. I will link everything that I mentioned down below, as I said, and similar items if anything's sold out or the pieces that I've had for a while in my wardrobe. If you guys like these sort of videos, want to see different brands, let me know in the comments down below. I also do Abercrombie and I have a Target one up on my channel as well. I will link those down below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.